So James, what other resources, where do you go to continue learning? Where do you go to find more educational content? And where do you go for new ideas?
Well, I have a few myself. One favorite one is to stop calling a maintenance department the maintenance department. Let's have reliability departments, and maintenance is just a piece of that executes. I think if we put the emphasis where it belongs, we might get better results. So
Yeah.
that was one idea, and I've been kind of beating on that or on the soapbox on that one for maybe a year and a half now at a few conferences. But I do go to conferences. There's several. There's here in Canada. There's the Plant Engineering Association of Canada. It does an annual event. There's a number that I've participated in Latin America, organized by Noria in Peru, Chile, Mexico. Not as many in the United States. I honestly find that the conferences in the US, this is going to sound terrible coming from a Canadian, but they tend to be way too commercially oriented. They're fun, they're flashy, but there's not as much substance. There are good speakers, don't get me wrong. There are some very good speakers, but I find the conferences themselves tend to be almost too distracting. That I think harms the learning process a little bit, but there are really good ideas. SMRP runs a really good one every year. There's a Reliability 2.0, I think it's called now, from Reliability Web. It's a good conference. I've been in all of these events, and you learn a lot from those. Talking with people working in the field is probably number one place to learn. I learn a huge amount from my own customers.